What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out the derivative of x squared times square root of x plus 1. This is the first example. I want to show you two different examples. The second one is more complicated than the first one. So I'm going to use product rule here, uv prime. It's going to be u prime v plus uv prime. We had it many times before. So derivative of x squared is going to be 2x times square root of x plus 1 plus x squared times derivative of square root of x plus 1. How do we do that? We know square root of x plus 1 is the same as x plus 1 to the power of 1/2. And whenever you have u to the power of n and you want to find out derivative, it's going to be n times u to the power of n minus 1 times u prime. That's going to be 1/2 times x plus 1 to the power of negative 1/2 times derivative of x plus 1, which is 1. So that's going to be 1/2 root x plus 1. So times 1/2 root x plus 1. Divided by 1 because we have nothing in the denominator. So we keep it like that. So it's going to be 2x times square root of x plus 1 plus x squared times 1/2 root x plus 1. That's the final answer. Let me show you the next example. We have 2x cubed plus 4 times square root of 2x minus 1. So again, u prime v plus u times v prime. So f of x, I'm going to write it as 2x cubed plus 4 times 2x minus 1 to the power of 1/2. So derivative of the first one is going to be 6x squared times 2x minus 1 to the power of 1/2 plus 2x cubed plus 4 times 1/2 times 2x minus 1 to the power of 1/2 minus 1 times derivative of 2x minus 1. So this part is basically coming from, again, u to the power of n that I showed you in previous page. So now let's start simplifying it. So it's going to be 6x squared square root of 2x minus 1 plus 1/2 and 2 cancels out, 2x cubed plus 4 times 2x minus 1 to the power of negative 1/2. So I'm going to write it in denominator. It's going to be 2x minus 1. That's going to be the final answer to the second question. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need some practice questions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.